Hello everyone, welcome to your channel ZDP Hiking. Today we are going for the Symbiosis National Aptitude Test SNAP 2024 solution by Ex-NIBM and CMAT 2021 topper itself. So in this series we have solved earlier with a lot of videos from the question number 16 onward, that is the quantitative section we have completed. Now we are going for the reasoning, that is analytical and logical reasoning itself, for which also we have solved yesterday itself from 36th to 39th, 38th number question. So yesterday we solved 38th number question, and today we are going to solve 39 question. So in this manner we will be completing all these things going ahead. But trust me, if you will watch my full videos, you will find very useful tips by me, how I solve question and how I can save you a lot of time so that you may score maximum percentile in SNAP exam. So let us go ahead. So for example, here what you have to see, firstly, just going with the options here. For H there are two options, for E there is the one option, and rest previous are same. Okay, so we will check only the first digit and the fourth digit only. First and fourth digit we will check. TEFGHIJ. So H will be means either this can be true, either this can be true. Now we don't have to check everything else. We will go for the next alphabetical order like this. So what is this? PQRS. Okay, so this is what? This is 1122, and this will come 33 again. Yeah, and LMNO. Okay, and this is U, this is W. So there is a something fishy in this way. You, if you will see here, I think MNOPQ. So okay, RS. No, suppose R we have omitted here. R. Then here will be S. TUW. Yeah. So there should be yes. Okay, yes should be here. So both of them are wrong, and none of these is the correct answer, because OPQ, one is omitted, R is omitted, VW. Yeah, correct. All right. So this is the wrong option. So none of these will be the correct answer for this type of question. You can go ahead with this. So if you like my method, make sure you subscribe to our channel and you please watch the method I have applied. Literally, that is a fabulous method. No teacher will teach you like that. 35th number of question. If you like that, subscribe to our channel, share it with your friends, and score 99 percentile in SNAP 2025 itself. Thank you very much for joining us. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and join the different colleges and and exams based group Telegram and WhatsApp given in the description. Thank you very much.